Today I have the pleasure to introduce Aberclwyd Farm, a 5-bedroom detached family home nestled in the valley of Resolven, complete with over 46 acres of land, swimming pool and holiday home. It's enough from me. Go on up, fly the lay of the land. As well as having massive commercial potential, the property also benefits from a potential multi-generational split, with a room in here which could easily be kitchen, some dining and living space, leading up then to our upper floors. So there you have it, Aberclwyd Farm, a fantastic opportunity for a lucky buyer out there. Whether it's equestrian living, additional income stream, or just a comfortable family environment, this property has got to be seen. I'm Dav Spear, this is my latest listing, and I look forward to seeing you soon.